Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So here comes a surprise for today. I'll be on camera from now on. So let's go. Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another live. So today we're gonna solve some good stuff. Well, actually we was already working on the good stuff. Let me pull my specs, because it's pretty bright here. Let's put it here. And now we are good, I guess. Just give me a second. I don't know who's watching though, but whoever it is, hi everyone. So we was working on a bounty, so let's continue with that, but let's check if our system is up to date. Yep, it's update. Let's start the open VPN. Give me a sec. I want to set some stuff from the CDF. I have to pull this out over here, delete the CDF, and clear this out and enter. Okay, started working, right? Yep. Our stuff is live. What's next? Yeah, let's see if we can ping this IP address. We are pretty good with this. Please man, just play it already. It's irritating. I don't know why, but I'm like using my old phone to check just like if stream is working fine or not. But it seems it's acting weird. So let's give a restart. Till then, we'll pull our notes so we can check where it was working. And I have created a new list for the OSCP prep, HTB, or hack the box. So we'll be using this as we have hack the box here. Next we have the try hack me, which we'll be doing the later on, and we have the proving ground. Proving ground is a platform which is provided by the OpenAI itself. Sorry, not OpenAI, but the offensive security itself. So we'll be able to utilize that. Damn it, this phone is dead slow. Okay, so let's go back to the, okay, I haven't said this stuff yet. I was working on the granny, but which box was he working on? Yeah, it's a bounty. And bounty, where was we? We got the Dumbledore. We found some good looking endpoints, from which one was the transfer.aspx. And just another like key point yesterday, when the scan got finished, there wasn't any other endpoint to be found on upload files endpoint 2. So what we have worked with so far, so that was the only thing that we could do work with. So hack the box in their machines and make their, okay, we already have the bounty, right? So we'll do cd and bounty hunter, not a bounty hunter, but it's a bounty ls. We have this only. We have the result of puff, search exploit. This is a CV we got yesterday. Let's give a check like what this CV hold. So we'll use search exploit, clear this out, -x, paste the number, enter. The stream is working. Oh yeah, thanks for the message. Actually, I'm just trying to like figure out if it's like sometime what happens if someone has put a message in the stream, and actually I have 3 monitors, one here, second here, and third, this is a laptop. So I just check over here too if I got a message or something. So like it's an easy place for me to catch, because I'll be like putting it over here so I can check what's going on. Let me drop it. Lock the screen. Shit. Unlock. Wanna check the chat. Yeah, it's a bit broken. Okay, so we have something from the paste bin. I think the paste bin has been taken down, if I'm not wrong. Let's see if it's still working on the browser. Paste it there. Okay, pastebin is still live. I think it was the pastebin.io that isn't working anymore. So what this says, print audit started, client socket. Over here it has mentioned the IP address and the port number where it's trying to connect to the client. Not IIS. Then same over here. Okay, so what sort of connection it's trying to make here and here? Is this a second request or something? Like both variables are same. Looks vulnerable and looks patched. Okay, so it's just checking if it is vulnerable to the mentioned CV or not. So this is not gonna work for us, so we can quit from here. Clear this out. Let's see what else we have. We have this endpoint. So let's see what's this hold. Let's edit it. So what we have found so far is the mentioned search exploit. It's a search number, this one. is just to check if the given host is vulnerable or not. So now we're gonna check if we can access the mentioned endpoint in the of output, and that endpoint is transfer.aspx. Endpoint is this. So what we can do is, so let's visit the browser and see this page. And with this, the IP address we have, and slash transfer.aspx, enter. Okay, so we have something over here. So we have upload functionality here. So we can upload file, but the problem is going to be like what sort of file we can upload here, right? So for that, let's see. There's one machine that we recently solved that might be containing the exploit, but it won't be in the ASPX because it was in PHP. So the like most probably we'll be able to create a new exploit, but first we have to check like what sort of stuff this endpoint can do. So let's try the nuclei on this endpoint and see what's the result we'll get on this. It's my first time on the camera, so I'm not sure if I'm looking weird or like I'm looking fine. Oh. And yeah, if you guys like to do interactions, like try put messages in the chat, that's also helpful. That will improve my interaction with other people. So yeah, that will get pretty handy in future, I believe. Okay, it's taking its sweet time. Should I try the Nito too? I'm not sure if I should be doing this, but I feel like I should do it, right? Oh, there's the camera. And the tech we have, oh, we have the version here. And also we have version disclosure of ASP.NET, which is 2.0.50727. So let's see if this ASP.NET holds any sort of vulnerability. It's checking this. So to check that, we can still use a search exploit. ASP.NET. The version is 2.0.50. Enter. Nothing. Let's just try with the ASP. Nothing particular to .NET, but let's see with the .NET. Nope. ASP, enter. Nothing particular over here, though we have the information disclosure over here, which tells us like which ASP.NET version we are using. So there's a possibility that we have some sort of exploit sitting there. So let's also Google ASP.NET 727 exploit. Let's see. Okay, we have something good. And it says Microsoft.NET Framework 2.0 multiple null byte injection vulnerability. And what it does, source, okay, we'll check the source. And it says prone to multiple null byte injection vulnerability because it fails to adequate sanitize user supplied data. An attacker can exploit these issues to access sensitive information that may aid in further attacks. Other attacks are also possible. Okay, so what's we have here? We are giving it like the endpoint we have, the path, and in the end, the file name. So this is another catch over here, right? Okay, so let's see what we have got from this. It says version detected. Yes, we have it. It didn't found anything special. We'll clear this out. We haven't tried the Metasploit or like the MSF console, so that's another option. And the other option we have is we can try like intercepting the request and try to upload something that suits its tastes, right? So let's copy this. First, we'll check if there is any sort of curl information that we can pull. So we'll do curl, paste, -v, enter, and what does it say? Secure file transfer. Dang it. It's chilly. Server Microsoft IIS. It's the same thing. Cache control private. File transfer form. It's like the form it's taking input from. ID name stats doesn't value much. But encryption type is multiple data forms because it's using or like uploading the different types of files. So that's why we have given it multiple part / form data. And the next is input field. Input, like here we'll upload the file, and next one is the submit button. This is for that. Nothing unusual. So we got something from Google which says that this version has a null byte injection, and we'll copy paste the link. Google will put it like this so we can like refer it directly, and this is the content we have got. So let's open the burp suite. And try intercept. While uploading the file. Burp suite. Yeah, this is the one. We'll remove from here. Not move, but remove. Yes. So now that we have the information, we can perform the null byte injection here, but it seems the given source is no more there. Okay, so this security focused domain itself is not there anymore. Understandable. So what we'll do, let's pull the image picture. What's its size? It's pretty big. This one is good. This one is best so far. And we'll go hack the box, machines, and currently we are working on a bounty. Okay, where is it? There, and paste it here. Or we don't even need to do that, but still, let's choose a file. This is not the endpoint we're choosing file from. Hack the box, machines, and bounty. Select the file, turn on the burp suite. I hope the proxy is correct. Yep. Boom. And over here, if I click upload, we should get the request, and there we go. We don't need this one, so we'll pull this request to the repeater. And we'll capture this. Uploaded the file, captured the request. We uploaded the file and capture the request. Let's understand this request, but what it does. It's gonna be HTTP, enter, copy and paste, and we have uploaded the wait, it didn't pull everything. This has like pretty large number of request size is pretty big, but it's not able to gather the all stuff. That's weird. As a plain text, just paste. Nope. From the repeater, copy, paste. I mean, why is it not doing what we have asked it to do? Like, this is a darn big request, correct? And we can see the file metadata too. So if we go all the way up, over here we can see the metadata of the file or the request, I guess. adopt.com. But the point is, why is it not able to pull the content? If I paste it here, it's still showing in the same length. That's weird. What's the last point here? It's upload button, but that one is missing. What could be different here? As we are working on the Windows, so and we are using the ASPX, what we can do is, okay, the PNG was uploaded successfully. Now let's try upload. .aspx file which will be malicious. And for that, what we're gonna do, and we can pull that file from Nishang, I guess. Let's see if Nishang holds something that can be helpful. Pivot, shell, scan, Active Directory, client bypass, escalation. We need RCE over here. Let's cat something from the shell. Invoke reverse shell. Nope. Scan is not gonna work. We need something related to the ASPX. Does it have the web shell? Escalation, execution, gather, web shell. Oh, yeah, there we have it. Cat. We have this one. I think we can try uploading this web shell. So what we will do is we'll do cd over here, pwd, we have the path, copy this, and we will do cp slash nishang the file and enter. So we have found the file in the nishang. And we have one file in there, which is a .aspx. Let's try upload that and see what we'll get. Such we can collapse this, split it again, and this time we will choose this file, upload, and it seems we can't upload the .aspx file here. For the same, let's try use a null byte injection. It might work. So if I like go here, we already have the data in the request. Let's pull that to the repeater, and we can close this. And what does this say is we have the endpoint URL and the path. Let's try putting this into the file name and send. Did it work? Okay, it still says invalid file name. So it must be checking the content type. So if I go all the way up and change the content type. Okay, do we have any other content type? We have this one only. So if I change it to this one, and we have the file sitting there, send it. Will it accept? Okay, it says invalid file type. We have the same file type. Let's try put the nullbyte injection again. Send it. Invalid file type. Do I need to remove the X now? Nope. So what are we missing? Like, instead of what, where are we missing it? Dang this stream. I think mobile is dead for this kind of stuff. Do we have something over here? View page source. Secure file transfer. Anything out of the blue that can help us like run further? Let's try sudo dir search. I'm feeling like we are still missing something here. So let's go to the dir search. Copy the command, paste it here. Methods option, we don't need that. We don't need any sort of output. Full URL, that works. And for the IP address, it's gonna be this. There's something that's not sitting well in my perspective. Will it be able to pull something? Let's increase the threads to 250. And I'm pretty sure this gonna break the search itself. But yeah, we can still try. Okay, we are getting like good amount of requests. Okay, it's not showing anything. Let's try this. How many TCP ports are open? As far as I remember, only one was there. So yes, only one port was there. Which relative path on the website contain file upload form? That's what is transfer.spx. Which relative path on the website contain file upload form? Do we need to provide this? Okay. What does the upload form allow? The upload.config file. Upload.config. Config file. Do we have something like that? Config.a. Let's just check the config. Config.aspx. .asp. Okay, not none. It's not one of those. Welcome back, Dumbledore. Config file. It's not mentioned here. Not here. Config. Click on parser web.config button to get database connection string. Web.config file. Nope. We don't have anything like web.config or anything specific related to the config. Oof. What does we have? Dang it. No new message. Will we have it? It says null byte, right? So this didn't work. Invoke expression. Are we missing on any file that should be there? Base 64 null. I don't know, like even if you're missing on one, I'm not able to understand like which one is it. The only thing I can try again is buff file upload and it's 1,000. This one. Because we can see there is, ouch, this file, but other than this, I don't see any other file that's working as expected. We can check this one too. Trace dot. Okay, and it says the current trace setting prevents trace.ext from being viewed remotely. It could, however, by viewed by browser running on the local server system. Details to enable this view on remote machine. Please create a trace tag within the configuration file located in the root directory. This trace tag should then have its local only attribute set to false. Configuration web.config trace only is equal to false and config. Let's see, ASP config config file path. Name, not aim. It's web.config. Okay, let's see if we can access this. Failed or direct not found. Understandable. On any of these endpoints. ASP.NET client. Web config. Nope. On upload files. Okay, we didn't found anything here, but we might be able to see something on the upload one because we have uploaded the very first file there. So as per that, it should be there, correct? Let's see what's the file name over here. Secure file transfer, and we have uploaded this file. Okay, we are not able to access this. Clear, nothing there, like same as yesterday. So what are we missing? What could be that we are missing? Let's read that error back. It says, okay, let's see if we can upload anything related to the config file. No, we don't need intruder. Let's try change this file name to web dot config and send. Okay, nice. That's a good step. In the error, we found that we can enable this. If you want remote, we can create a tag file config or file within the config file located in the root directory. So over here, we might be able to do something right. For same null byte injection, it might work, but didn't work. Then but we got one error on trace trace.axt, and it says whatever we have highlighted. This. So after reading this, I thought if we can upload the config file on the using the upload functionality, upload found this name after googling. Okay, so we can, and when I uploaded the file with the name web.config, it uploaded successfully. And for the POC, I will add the screenshot of this, but how should I? Over here, we're gonna highlight this, and okay, let's go all the way down. File uploaded successfully. Over here we have uploaded the file using the name, and we have got the message that we have uploaded the file successfully using the post request. Let's find a way where we can use this web.config file to get our CE. So as we know that .config file is going to be an XML kind of file, right? XML kind of file. So let's search on Google if there is any way we can add exploit in there that can give us the RCE. So we are here, asp.config file exploit. Config file detected, exposed config file. Okay. What I want is how we can like edit the config file. ASP web .config file RCE exploit. RC from web.config. So it says that we can upload this XML content into the file, and that will help us get or like run the command which is given here. Lock item, lock section in web configuration. Okay, let's see. Well, we don't want to check the fix. This simple web.config will launch a ping request. Okay, let's see if we will get our ping request to the system. So we have this config file, right? And if we just go all the way down, clean this, paste it here. I think we are in pretty good condition. What's the content type for the XML? It's TXT XML, I guess. text/xml. And over here, if I do the ping, we'll do ping on 10.10.16.5, and we don't want it to. Okay, we will let it. And to check, we're gonna use the TCP dump on -I tune 0, enter. We don't have permission, so we'll use sudo quali. And if I like triggered this, we should get the ping. This is a file upload that was performed by us. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't see anything like it didn't immediately triggered the ping request, right? Let's clear this. TCP dump -h interface we have already given in immediate mode. -e secret lingos, no input -q out. Okay, let's try this. -Q out will quiet the output. And these are expression, nano, micro, we don't need any of these. Interface we have already given. The count, it doesn't matter. Enter. So if I do this again, okay, so this time it didn't trigger anything. Okay, I didn't put the right IP address on the first place. 10.10 shit 10 damn it 10.16.5 and send it. Okay, so it seems our stuff is working and we are getting the successful ping from the other end. Okay. So let's make it clear from here. And on Google, I found one blog which contain how we can exploit the like ASP web.config file to ping the system, but using the same we can also get the RC. So let's give a shot. And when I send this request, I got ping in response. Okay, so okay, fine. So this is a ping that we got from this file. Okay, so we are successfully able to like build a connection between our system and the host system. Over what tool was it? TCP dump. Okay, we don't have it here, so we'll just use TCP dump. And it's working successfully, right? So we'll just copy all and HTTP paste. And we have our place where we want to make the changes. And here in this tag, we can make changes. So we now know that it's working successfully. It got uploaded successfully, so we got these successful pings from this, especially this argument that I'm highlighting. So it worked pretty well. Now let's try upload the file to get the RC using Nishang. We can create a using Nishang, or like we can use MSF Venom to create a malicious malicious file that will provide us the RC. So let's create a file first and upload it using the XML argument. So we can do both. Okay, got a message. Nothing special. Oh, so let's try. We will chain this, like we'll create a malicious file using the MSF Venom, and we will host a local server of the Python, and using the Python server we'll use the command over here, and that command is invoke web request IWR, and using that invoke web request command we'll be able to upload that file, and in the same manner we will be able to like trigger that file also. So that let's do that. So we'll cancel this out, clear this, at same time we have to run the Python server, which will help us upload the file. Okay, so let's go for it. First, we will create the exploit. We have the MSF Venom here, and this is the reverse TCP handler that we use. Are we going to create the exe? I think creating exe would be better, or we do something else. Let's try create the reverse shell exe, file type exe, and the port number is going to be 9001. IP address is going to be R, which will be 10.10.16.5. So this will create us the reverse.exe. And we have got our file. Okay, there is so much left. sh. Okay, we have used this one. Or let's just copy this and paste it here. Now let's try upload this file over the server and see if we can get the RCE. For the same, let's start the Python server first. Let's just put the command here. It's going to be Python 3-m http.server, and we're gonna start that here, Python server, and it's running. Now let's do a check. I'm not sure if it will be working, so to perform the check, let's edit this line over here, and we're gonna put something instead of ping, because we are running the CMD. I'm not sure if it can run PowerShell. Shall we check that with PowerShell? Let's see if I change it to the PowerShell. Will it be able to do the same? TCP dump output, and if I do descend, it's successful, man. We can run it with the PowerShell. Nice. So we'll clear this, and we have the file. Let's do the ls. Also change the process path is equal to PowerShell. So we can change it to the PowerShell, and same time we have the command, and now we need to check the command which we have over here in the Windows command. Where is it? Just show me. Yeah, this is the one, and it's gonna create the file over there, like not the file specifically, but it will upload the file over there. So we can remove this, paste this one, and we'll provide our own IP address and the file path, which is going to be 10.10. Not 100, man. 10.16.5, and with that the file is going to be reverse rev.exe, and it's gonna be with the same name, reverse.exe. And now the point is, how we gonna access this file, right? Let's see if we are able to access the current file that we have uploaded. Web dot config, enter. Web.config. Okay, is it on a like different path? What was the other path that we got from the FUF? Upload files. Bit space. Nope, not here. Over here. Upload paths. Okay, we are not able to access this file. Web.config. Where the hell is this file, man? I hope we have the correct name here. Web.config. It's not here. Not here. What's the other path that we are missing? ASP.NET client. Over here. Like, where the hell is this file? Okay, we'll check that later. But first we will upload it, and okay, it says execute now. So we might be able to like use the same stuff to execute it. So we have our content ready. We'll just copy this much, and from the process till here we'll change everything, and we have the Kali running here, send, and it should upload the file because we was able to get the ping. So we should be able to upload the file also, right? Okay, so FUF was I have already tried that, man, but I didn't got like any solid output from the FUF, or like FUFs. So these are the only 3 or like 5 endpoint worth that I have got, but over here from the trace I got some like good knowledge, but other 2 endpoints are not behaving as expected, so I don't know if it is working the way it should be. Okay, I made another mistake. I have to provide the port number 2. Now if I upload it, it should upload it from here. Will it? we have the right file name, correct? reverse.exe, and the end one it seems like it didn't got upload. Send it again. It says the file got uploaded. Let's try to remove this and send it now. Okay. Like, what are we missing here? We're able to, like, it was able to successfully make a call. Dang it, my live stream is damn back and I'm not able to get the chat quickly. So what are we missing? Shall I use CMD? But that's not gonna do us a favor, right? I'm not sure if this has the curl also, and it was like \C, capital C, right? Something like this. Privilege escalation argument, let's send it. Invoke PowerShell. Let's try this. .exe. Now. Okay. The other way is we can try this command if this works. Bounty. We'll paste it here in the CMD manner. This is a file which is going to sit. Okay. Let's not give this the endpoint, so that might mess up the stuff. But we have one argument finish here and the second argument without any finish. Now it should be, but I think it's the same problem here. I see it's the same problem here. It seems that's why it didn't work. Let's send it now. Or the previous with the PowerShell. Close it here. Send. Bro, how much time we have got so far? Okay, it's been 1 hour and 30 minutes. Okay, so far no progress. Well, that's how actually things work in real life if there is no write-up. So you have to bear it. Okay. Understood. So, oh shit. This is not a separate argument here, cause I can see one quote is here and one quote is here. So it is considering this whole as an argument over here and send. I don't know if it's gonna work. CMD PowerShell /C space enter dot exe. Like we can try everything. We can even try like removing this, send this only. We just need some sort of ping on this. If I just remove this, will I get a ping? I just need a ping first. Okay, let's try this again. All this till here. Ping the same without putting in input. Hyphen port 8000 and send. Let's see if this pings over the port 8000 terminal. Let's check. We have the terminal here, and if I do ping -h enter, and with the small ping, okay, it's hypervisor. I wanted to ping on the port. What should I do for that? Nothing to do with the size. Like, should I just directly put the port number like this? I don't know, like, why it's not working. But yeah, this is one of the way that I could think of so far. Let's see what does Google says about it. This was one remote code execution. There is a web.config. There's another one, .NET cheat sheet. Okay, we have something good over here too. And what does it says? Method get cmd. Where is our config content? Upload insecure config. Okay, so we are giving it this DLL that it will process. Bitterness, required write access. another blog. And what does this dude says? Creator object over here. This is the command. Let's see if this works. It's not like we are totally redundant on something. Script process this dot config. Who am I? Okay, instead of who am I, just ping on 10.10.16.5 port 8000, send over here. Let's see if this works. It seems I have to run the fuff again. And before that, let's check if this contain grep web over this, just the single web. What about this web? Okay, so it has like both kind of web. Clear. We have web listing over there. We'll remove this upload files and go all the way to the end with the Dumbledore, and it's started giving some messed up output. So we will do FL filter by line 7. We don't need anything that length around 7, or like word can be around 17, so let's length around 7. Okay. Just give me something sweet. Where are you hiding my config file? Just provide me that. True. True what? Sorry, I missed something. Asknar Banerjee. Asknar .aspx aspx client. It's not even like doing the recursion on it, and as I can see, the recursion is there, so it's not finding it worthy for the recursion, something like that. Let's see. Give us what I'm looking for, brother. That's a pretty damn long processor, and like no other like second endpoint it has found so far. That's weird. I already know that there is a transfer.spx. What about the web.config file? That's the like par file we are looking for here. And it like stopped on the same note. Okay, let's remove all the other extensions. We'll keep just conf and config. Nothing else other than these. Let's remove the Dumbledore and the threads. That might be the problem, that it's not able to find anything meaningful from there. Correct? Possibilities. This time is like the ratio of number is also low, or like the number itself is pretty low. This time is 38,817. Dang, it's taking so much time. Puff-h grep minimum requests. Rate, it's going to be 100 per second. 1,000 per second. Ah, dang, it's just a dead -t threads 500 per. Now just go wild. Yeah, that's the number I'm trying to look for. Client underscore ASP dot underscore client. Okay, we got the same names again. We didn't get this time the transfer one, cause we don't have the ASPX included in this. Let's check over here. Where the hell should I find this? Enter. Oh. Like we have the chain in our brain, like how this is going to work out. But to make it work out, we need the base file of all of this. correct? So we need something that can help us find the config file first, because if we're not able to read the file, I'm not sure if how you're gonna like make changes in there. But as you can see, it says that we are successfully able to upload it. File name upload one, file upload one. Is this a file name? File upload one is the same file name. Let's see, all these file names are same. Yep, all these file names are same. Nothing differ. Man, just upload something. Oh, not working. And I'm not gonna buzz my brain around this anymore. Let's see what we have in the write-up, cause getting stuck on something particular for long is also a waste of time. We are learning here, we are not making something like to be there. You know what I mean? I don't know if you know what I mean. And it's bounty HTB, enter. Manual walkthrough. This might be the correct one. We have all of this in same manner. Upload files. This shit is telling you to like showing you for a redirection. But if I do this, okay, let's see, uploaded files, enter, is just say right up on the face, access is denied. Let's try check the file name conventions. That could be a problem. Again, same. uploadd files. You got the transfer, invalid files. Here's the link article, and not uploading the file. I tried to upload the server using the transfer dot something. And okay, so upload file slash web.config. But like, where the hell is my file then? If it's like showing his file, why is it not showing any file which I have uploaded files web.config. File or directory not found. Like, box might be broken, so just to have that a check, we'll like reset it. But I don't think the like box is broken. It's running pretty sweet. And this user is trying to like directory trigger the reverse shell to get a netcat using the PowerShell. Client new object, creating a socket which is going to ping on this port and IP address. Then it's gonna start the client get stream, tamper with some bits and the port numbers while do this. Like, that's a pretty damn big string. But he was able to run stuff over here. Let's see what's this says. Right response. Right response. Yeah, we have the similar kind of thing running there. But is it possible that this file type, the content type, that's giving the problem? XML content type. Application/XML text/XML is an alias. So yeah, it's like running fine with the text/XML. We have this. We have this. Machine has been reset. So one way or another, if we have uploaded the file, it should be showing something, right? And you go to rest latest. I don't want anything. Just stay away. Open this. Now I got everything. Just start it already. Okay, it shouldn't be doing that. Okay, machine is up. Clear. And if I do this again, okay, this is the wrong uploaded files. Enter. Or like the total fresh fuzz. At least show what it's showing to that person, right? The redirection. It's just like throwing on the face that there is no redirection. Just get a 403 and just shush. Now the problem is it possible that we need to add host, but this person has, or like he didn't add the host also. Now I'm getting pissed. You're getting my point? What did he use for like directory search? He used the GoBuster. Okay, we'll use the same. Cancel this. And see if we'll get like what he says is there. He has also found, no, he didn't found this endpoint. ASP.NET _ client. Don't die, don't die. You still have a long way to go. Just give me like 301, 302 on upload files. I'm pretty good with that. Poof. Let's see if like this only happened with me or like any other person also faced the same challenge. Like he also might have used, and yep, he is getting pretty neat and clean 301, but I'm getting the 304. I don't know like why, but yes. And what about this person? Yep, 301, neat and clean. Just give it to me, man. Already. Yep. It's still sitting with this 403. Uploaded files, uploaded files, uploaded files. Should I cry? Like, this actually doesn't make any sense if you look at it. How the hell I'm gonna access this endpoint when it is not even present on the first place? And as it says, to access this, we have to go there like this bounty.png. So if I just upload like this, let's go to the very first file. It's the png with the file name this. Copy, send, and it should go there. Okay, we got an internal server error. I don't know why. Why the hell it's giving the error? An application error occurred. Setting. Find the details. Like, have we tampered with something that we shouldn't have? All the way down. Repeater. Send. Close this. Okay, internal server error. Understandable. Close all these. And we are working with the transfer. .aspx. Enter. We are on the file. Select the file. divine.png. Upload. No file is there. We'll duplicate it and paste the file name. Uploaded files / enter. And it's working. And now it says access is denied. But this wasn't working before. Like, idle it should be giving us the 403, right? Let's see one more time, and now we know that we are able to access where we should be going. We'll try with the config file this time. So by the time it's running this, we'll put it a bit up, clear this, and vim web.config, enter, and we'll paste this brother content, which is over here, copy everything, paste it here. Okay, we need this, and it says ASP code comes here. It should not include HTML comment, close tag, or anything. Okay. It is running the ASP code. If you see it is this. Remove protection hidden. Created XSS vulnerability in SS. What I want is like the original stuff. I try to access a config file like in the same manner. And here he got the stuff, which is pretty similar to the mine that I have added. So we'll clear this out. This is not what I was looking for. We'll go to mine config one, which is this. I think this should do the charm. Right click, exclamation, clear. We have the file in place. And now the last thing, we'll check once more if we are able to see that it is giving us a 20, like not a 203 but a 301 or 403. If not, then we have already touched the 2-hour time span. I'll just drop it here for today. We'll start working on it tomorrow, and I hope we'll be able to finish it then. Else I'll start like looking at the write-up and how it's like working. I don't know. Maybe that's my lagging here. And like, see, he's also using the same kind of stuff. Web.config dot ps1 and went there. Yep, it's still same. Now if I use the other tool, was it on this? Oh, it's a Ferox Buster. This is the one Go Buster. Let's try. A space. And the IP address, paste, enter. Oh shit. Well, -t threads will go 1000, enter. Just go wild, man. Transfer.aspx, pretty neat. Checkout.aspx, that wasn't there previously. Doc root. Nope. It seems because of thread it's not able to like read the content clearly, but whatever. This is going to be last scan, and after that I'll say you guys goodbye for today. But you see that? It is saying 301 here. Like, whatever the hell is this? Okay, so that's it for today. Now we know that we can access a file. We have the endpoint that is actually not giving us what we are looking for. So instead of like what I wanted to say, instead of using the FUF, we can use some other tool that works in our favor, and which can be Ferox Buster or like Go Buster. But this is this doesn't happen like very often. So this happened after quite a long time, that after searching for some endpoint, we didn't got any. And even if you're getting any, it's giving us like the wrong what we say, wrong status code. Okay, let's see what this gives us. Then we will like end this and go to play some game. If you guys want to join there, I'll be playing shortly after this. I'm not sure which game I should play, but yeah, I'll be playing. Oof. Transfer.spx. Marlene. Any new message? Nope. Nope. I think I should get back to my like old tools that used to work pretty good. Like for example, Search, that was a pretty good tool and it never disappointed me before. Just because of the fast like recurse and some other stuff, I went to the FUF. but it's not even like that perfect. It doesn't give the precision that we're looking for. So I'll try to jump back onto the research, and I hope that stays. So yeah, guys, that's it for today's stream. I wasn't able to make any progress on the bounty box, but tomorrow I'll like look into this before I come back to stream and see why that problem is occurring, and try to figure out like what's the solution, or like why it wasn't pinging on my request when I was trying to upload this, and trying to even when I was trying to ping it, it didn't ping the endpoint. So yeah, we'll check all these tomorrow. So if you guys wanna have some fun, I'll be doing another stream shortly. I'll be playing some games, so whatever game you guys will suggest, I'll be playing that. So to continue this, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Till then, have fun. Don't forget to subscribe. If you have liked this stream, give a thumbs up, like the video. If you think this is worth, share it with others. Like, we are learning one way or another, so it's not like we'll understand everything in just one night. It's a by time process, because that's how I have learned so far. So it's a by time process. So if you guys think it's fun to sit here and watch what I'm doing, and you guys want to join, please shoot. And the other thing is, if you guys think that what I'm working on currently is not payable, I will say that watch my stream carefully, and even if you don't pay, try to grasp the like surrounding stuff, how things work within the surroundings, and whenever you get the chance, you will be able to apply things. It is more of that often what happens when you're trying to learn something. It is, if you have something already have seen, or you have already read something, and when you perform something on something practical on that, and you guys will be able to like correlate in between that. Like if this already has happened, you will be able to understand like, yeah, this is what I have seen around that time, and this how it was done. So you guys might be able to like layer on that, and maybe go refer that same place, or you'll be able to remember like this is the correlation between something that I have already performed and I have already seen. So that's why I say always look for something that can enhance the experience, and at least it will stick in back of your mind, in the subconsciousness, but when you work on it, it will try to like come back in front and make the relation on what you're trying to learn so far. Okay, with that, I'll say I'll take my leave for today, and see you guys tomorrow for this specifically, but I'll be playing game shortly because it's just 10:45 around here. So I'll see you guys shortly in another stream. I'll be playing game. So see you guys tomorrow. Bye bye.